Honda Racing Corporation Progressive is heading into the 2026 season with the kind of confidence that only comes from real results. The team has stacked up 16 professional American Motorcyclist Association championships over the last 7 years, and now it is gearing up for a packed schedule that starts fast and stays intense. The 17-round American Motorcyclist Association Supercross Championship opens on January 10th in Anaheim, California. After that, the 11-round American Motorcyclist Association Pro Motocross season rolls in, and then everything funnels into the 3-round SuperMotocross Playoffs, where every mistake feels twice as expensive. What makes this story easy to follow is the continuity. American Honda is bringing back the same core rider lineup it has trusted for the past 2 seasons, and it starts with Jett Lawrence. At 22 years old, he has already collected 10 professional American Motorcyclist Association titles, including the 2025 Pro Motocross and SuperMotocross championships. Last year did not go the way he wanted indoors, with injury stopping his attempt to defend his 2024 Supercross crown, and you can feel the motivation in how this season is being framed. The goal is clear. Take back the Premier Class Supercross title and do it with authority. Right alongside him is Hunter Lawrence on another factory Honda CRF 450 RWE. Hunter has been building momentum in the 450 class with steady top-level results, including 4 second-place overall series finishes since moving up in 2024. The Lawrence brothers have also been a huge factor internationally, helping Team Australia win the Motocross of Nations the past 2 years. That kind of momentum matters because it is not just about speed, it is about handling pressure when everyone expects you to deliver. In the 250 program, Honda Racing Corporation Progressive keeps Chance Hymas and Joe Shimoda on the factory Honda CRF 250 RWE. When healthy, Hymas has shown he can win in both stadium and outdoor racing, and he is set to line up in the American Motorcyclist Association Supercross 250 West region after returning from anterior cruciate ligament surgery. Shimoda is coming off the strongest year of his career, with wins across all 3 American Motorcyclist Association series and the SuperMotocross 250 title, but a back injury during the off-season has put his return date in question. It is the kind of variable that can change everything in a hurry, and it is something fans will be watching from the first gate drop. Behind the scenes, the leadership is just as consistent. Brandon Wilson continues to lead American Honda racing operations, while Lars Lindstrom heads into his 5th year as team manager. Crew chief roles remain steady in both classes, and the same mechanics are back working with the same riders. In racing, that matters more than people think, because trust and communication can save time in places that do not show up on a spec sheet. The message from the team is simple. Even after winning big last season, they still feel like they have something to prove in 2026, especially in Supercross. If you love this sport, this is the kind of season setup that feels like it could turn into a statement year.